for door lock facts that every Kia Soul owner should know. In this video, we will talk about Kia Soul door lock problem with helpful information that will help you a lot. Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Well, the Kia Soul door lock problem is usually caused by a component fuse or actuator failure. Let's have a look at those problems and possible reasons. Problem 1. Driver's side door doesn't open. This problem primarily happens due to two reasons: key fob battery or faulty lock. So, keep in mind to check the key fob battery life. Problem 2. All doors locked. Because of frequent mass use, the power lock buttons can start not working properly. Usually, a bad lock button causes this. Problem 3. The rear side door doesn't unlock. Because of actuator malfunctions, the back door just won't open. Keep your lock moisture free. And Problem 4. Certain doors do not function. A blown or damaged fuse is the key reason behind this issue. In this case, the actuator stopped working. To fix it, replace it. Hopefully you no longer have any more confusion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.